Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to create an Excel shortcut. So the first thing you need to identify the Excel icon on the desktop, and then you need to right click and go to open file location. Next you need to right click again on Excel and choose send to desktop to create the shortcut. After that, you can see the shortcut has been done, and right click and choose open to open the Excel file, and you are done. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today I will show you guys what we have in this ribbon. So the first one, we go to the home one. We have on clipboard ribbon, we have paste, cut, copy, and also format printer. Next, we go to the font. We have bold, italic, underline, border, um, fill color, font color, and you can adjust your font and also the theme fonts. Then we go to the alignment. So here you can adjust your text. You want center, you want align on the left. Then we have as orientation. You can go it vertically or you can label it. Then we have decrease indent, increase indent, we have right text and also merge and center. Then we go to the number. We have here accounting number format. We have the percent star. We have here comma star, and then we have increase the decimal and also decrease the decimal. So now we move to the star. So here you can do format table, cell, star, and conditional format here. If you do the tables, then here you can then in this cells ribbon um, we have a format the format of table, and then you can delete the table, insert table. So in editing we have auto sum, fill, clear, and then sort and filter. And this one is find and select if you want to find the document. Then we have the ideas to discover our data. So next we have insert. So here the tables, we have pivot table, recommenders pivot table, and also original the original table. Then we have illustration, so you can add all pictures, you want the 3D models, or you want to do shape, smart art, and everything here. Then we have add-ins. We can find, we can connect the tasks to that you use every day. And then we have charts. So in this chart, we have you can choose the recommended charts do you want. Then we have column or bar chart. We have insert line, area chart, all types of charts in here, and you can do maps here. Insert map charts and also the pivot chart. Then in tools we have a 3D maps. So you want to look your maps in on the 3D visual. Then we have spark lines. So here the lines that we can do for our data, and then this is filter, slicer, timeline, this is link, and to link the document. And then this is for comment to add the notes if you do something. This one is text and symbols if you want to use symbol. Then we go to the page layout. So in this we have themes, so you can choose color, fonts, and also the effect. And this is the page setup. So you want to add margin, orientation, you can choose between the portrait landscape and size of your paper if you want. And then the print area, and you can break page and this background print titles. Then we have scale to fit, and you can do this you want to fit the tables or something. And then this is sheet option. You want your grid lines, you want to print with the grid lines or not, headings. Then this is arrange. You can bring forward, you can send backward or something. Then we go to formulas. So we have a function library here. So auto sum. So we can create all the data, use this formula if you want. Then we have a define name. So you can define the name to create from the selection, something like that. Then this is a formula updating, wash window, calculation option. This is how you want to calculate the sheet. Then this is data. This is data get and transform data ribbon. So we have get data, text from web, any data you want to choose. Then this one increase and connection. This one the data types. We have stock and social geography and other. Okay, then we go to sort and filter. This one to use sort A to Z, or we want to sort Z to A. It's up to you guys. So this is data column, so text to the columns, and this is forecast, and also this is the outline. Okay, next we go to the review. So we have a ABC. We can check our spelling and also check our names for the proving accessibility. And then smart lookup here inside. And then this is language. We can translate for here. So then this is new comments, show comments, and then this is the notes if you want to add on your notes. This is protect. You want to protect your sheet. You want to protect workbook from other people's, and also you can allow anyone to edit. I mean, it's just. Then this is a view. So workbook review. We want to see normal or page review, custom or something, and then this is show zoom. You can zoom. This is a window. You can add new window, finish span, switch the window, all the things. Then this is add-ins. So get data, manage. This is the reviews. Then this is help if you want to contact support, feedback, show training or something. This is power pivot. This is add data model again. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi and assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you on how to enter some data, edit the data, how to format the data, and also how to save this data as a file. Firstly, you need to open workbook like this, and then you need to enter some data. Okay, for example, I will enter some name like myself, Patricia, my friends' names, Huda, Lisa, and also the other friends is Natasha. Here I will put some of their expenses, which is for me like 300s, Huda also 300s, for Lisa like 350, and Natasha also 350. Alright, so from here you will see that I misspelled the Natasha name, so we will need to edit this. So I will put it rightly like this, Natasha. And next, from this, we can format it by change the font, which is I will just use Arial and change the font from to 12. But if I don't want this, I can just redo this, or yeah, if I want like the other ones, I can just undo it. Okay, next we can align this, which is if you want it to be at the centers, you can just put at the centers, or just like this, but I prefer like this because it looks more nice. And next we will save it as a file, which is we goes to here and go save as a file, click to browse and choose that. Okay, we will save it in our documents. We will name it as expenses, maybe group member expenses. And we're done. Just save it. And yeah, we're done. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Nurasliza Binti Sekana, and now I'm going to teach you on how to adjust the column and row. So firstly, you need to highlight all the data, and then right click your key mouse and then click copy, and then place anywhere that you want, and then click pass special, then click the transport options and then click OK, and click the ESC to undo. To make it this disappear, you click the ESC and it will turn like this. And if you want to undo this, or maybe you want to delete all this, you can simply undo the words by clicking this once and it will turn like this. And then you need to click ESCs again to make it disappear, these lines. And then for merging the cells, you need to highlight the data, or maybe the totals that you want to merge, and then you need to click the merge and center, and then it says that merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discard the other values. Then click OK and it will turn like this. And if you want to delete all the rows that you do not want to, so you can simply highlight that and then delete, and then click the entire column, so click OK and it will turn like this. And then so for format cells, you can simply highlight all the data and then click the format, and then they have in the row height, column width. So firstly you want to adjust the row height. If you want to put, for example, like I want to put 10, so click OK and it will turn like this. So if you want to undo again, you can simply click this once and it will turn like back. It will turn back to usual. And then for the second one is column width. I would like to put more bigger than previous, so I would like to put 20 and then click OK and it will turn like this. So I think it is really nice, so I will keep it as right now. So next I would like to teach you on how to align your data, or maybe alignment cells. You need to highlight all the data, and then under the alignment they have in the align left and then center, and then also the align right. So I want to make all of this into the center, so I will simply click the center and it will turn like this. Or maybe if you want to make it the only titles in the center, so you can click against the data and then you want to click to the align left, and then this I want to keep it as the center, so I would like to just left it as usual. And then the next I would like to teach you on how to format in the text. So firstly you need to highlight all the data, and then they also have the format, which is firstly is from the fonts. If you want to put any type of font that you prefer, like I want to switch into the Times New Roman, and click enter, and then I will adjust the font into the 12. And then if you want to make it italic, or maybe you want to make the title in italic, you can simply click italic and it will turn like this. But I will undo it again. So now I'm going to teach you on how to cut the box as you want to put it anywhere that you more prefer, and you can click cut and then click anywhere that you want to put it. So for example, like I want to put it here, and then click pass options, not pass special but pass option only. So I will adjust the width and also the rows, and then I would like to, if you want to insert the column, you can simply click any data that you want to insert and then click insert. And then if you want to click the entire row, or maybe entire column, shift cell down, or maybe shift cell right, you can click OK, and then it will turn like this. But if you want to undo it again, you can simply click this one. And then for if you want to delete columns and rows, you can simply highlight all the data and you can find the delete option, and it will ask you if you want to delete the cells left, or maybe cells up, or maybe the entire row, or maybe the entire column. So I would like to delete the entire row, so click OK, and then it will disappear like this. And if you want to undo the data again, you can simply click this one and it will turn like this. And then so if you want to hide in column and row, you can simply drag this one into the end of this one and it will disappear. And then for the changing width and also the column, you can simply click the format, and they have in the row head and also column width. And that's it from me. Thanks.
Now I'm going to show the order of mathematical operation that consists of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and average function. So for addition, click on enter and then click on sum, open bracket, click on C4 and C5, close bracket, and click enter, and we will get the sum. To get the rest, just drag the box, and then we're going to do for the subtraction, click on enter, click C4, minus signs, and C5. Just click enter and we will get the answer, and the same, just drag the box and we will straightly get the answer. And for multiplication, input equal, click on C4, star sign, and then click on C5, press enter, and we will get the answer. And then for division, click equal, click on C4/signs, and click on C5, just click enter, we will get the answer. And now for average function, we input equal signs, and then we type average, open bracket, click on C4 and C5, close bracket and click enter. Then we will get the answer and just drag to get the rest of it. So here are the basic formulas for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and average function. Next, moving on to the salary calculation. Here are the total hours of the employees working, and here is the salary for per hour. And then we are going to find the total hour for each worker. What we need to do, press equal. When we press equal, we are going to add sum, open bracket, and click on D4, highlight it until J4, close bracket, and click enter. We will get the total hour. To get all the total hour for each employee, we just drag this, and then we will get all the total hour of working. So for payment, click on equal, total hour, star signs, click per hour, and then click enter. We will get the payment. Just drag all, and we will get the total payment for each employee. And then we are going to search for total for Monday hour. What we need to do, first we put equal sign, put sum, open bracket, D4, highlight until D13, close bracket, and we will get the answer for Monday. Then just drag to get the average, equal average, highlight the D4 until D13, close bracket, and just click enter and just drag, and we will get the
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifana Razlisa Piti Seklana. Now I'm going to teach you on how to create the graph based on the data that you already have in the Excel. So firstly, you need to highlight all the data and then click inserts, and then under the charts there have the variety of the graph that they are provided in the Excel. So firstly, I would like to pick the pie or maybe the donut charts. There is a 2D pie, 3D pie, and also donut. So I would like to prefer the basic ones, which is 2D pie, and then click. And then I would like to make this graph into the size that I would like to that I would more prefer to make you understand what are the pie charts and what are the other charts, what are the difference of them. And then I would like to customize the size into the types that I would like to have, and then it will turn like this. And then as the same procedure as before, we would like to highlight the data again and then insert the graph, but now I'm going to insert the line or maybe the area charts, and they also have the 2D line, 3D line, 2D area, and 3D area. So I would like to have the 2D line, and then I would like to customize the size into the size that more preferable to you to understand. And I would like to drag this into the left of the columns of the data, and then I would like to highlight against the data and then click insert to add the last graph for today's, which is the column or maybe the bar charts. They have in the 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, and 3D bar. So now I'm going to have the 2D column, and then I want to customize the graph again. and then I would like to put it besides the pie charts so that you can understand more about the charts. And then that's it. We have in the pie charts, and also we also have in the line charts, and the last one we also have in the pie charts, the bar graph for the data that we already have in the Excel. So that's all from me. Thanks.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add borders to your data in Excel, how to customize the quick access toolbar, and how to do a simple printing. So the first one is how to add borders. First thing first, you need to have your data and then highlight your data and then go to border requirements. You can choose whichever border that you like. Let's say I choose outside borders. So now you can see that your data have outside borders. Next one, I want to add right border, so you can choose, you can change this one, then you have it. And then another one, I want to add bottom border for this data, and then you are done. So moving on to quick access toolbar, you need to go to file, options, quick access toolbar, and you can choose whichever access that you want to add. Let's say I choose delete sheet rows, press add, and then press OK, and then the shortcut is here. So let's say I want to delete this one, highlight the data that you want to delete, and then press the shortcut that you already add. So you can press this to undo, or for a simpler step you can press Ctrl Z. So next, moving on to how to print the data, you need to go to file, print, and then here is your file. You can customize copies and then the printer, and simply press print button. That's all from me. Thank you.